What's the deal, gang? What's up, y'all? How's everyone doing? I guess people aren't aware that we have news here in about 3 minutes, right? I honestly wasn't aware either. I just looked as I was running out the door. I was about to go take Wix 11 to school, right? We all see Wix 11. She's chilling right here. Anyway, but then I realized we have news in 2 minutes, so I told her, you know what? It's a late type of day for school. So she's sitting there waiting on me right here with the book bag. Her reaction is priceless. What did she do? She's just staring at me. All right, so we got 80 seconds for news here. Way to have your priorities straight. Yeah, school's gonna have to wait. We got news. School is gonna have to wait. So, chat. Hold on, more people. We have 1 minute here for news. You guys know how we trade news. We're gonna trade it the first 5 minutes after the news. We're gonna jump on the 1 minute here. We're gonna see if there's a push, and we're gonna see if we can take advantage of the rebreak of that push. And after that, I'm gonna dip for about 10-15 minutes. Well, it depends. It could be even 8 minutes. Depends how I try. I'm gonna take her to school, and then I'll be back. So we got 30 seconds here. Girl, you're gonna learn more right now in the next 2 minutes that you're gonna learn all day in school today, okay? I don't know. I don't think we should see a massive spike, but hey, we could. Red folder. Let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3. Or 3, 2, 1. Spread's at 10. My spread's at 8. Yeah. My spread starts jumping like 10 seconds before news. Pulled back. Chat, rebreak of the lows here. We'll have a position. I'll stop. Trading. Hold on. Let me just adjust my sell stop. Break of this current candle low. Right, we had news push down. So I have a sell stop right here, right on the break. I'll tell you once we're activated. So we had a push, we pulled back, and now we're looking for the rebreak of this push, and we are activated. Oh, got slipped 4 pips. Amazing. Oh, I'm lying. I got slipped 2 pips. 4 pips because it's 2 pips on 2 positions, but we are in here. And we're looking to continue down to fill the range. All right. Gonna close half here at 13 pips. We're gonna go break even, and we're gonna wait for the runner to see if we can push this down. Let's go break even here. 13 pips have been closed, and we're gonna look for the fill of this wick to the left. This is what we really want. We want the wick fill. I think 264562. Or maybe even here. Yeah, somewhere around there. I think that's what I'll look for, full TP. Okay. So let's see if we can have a bit of an extra push down. Congratulations, you're all winners today. But now let's see if we can get this runner pushing. And then Wix 9 has to go to school. And Wix 11 has to go to school, right? So we're up about 11, 12 pips here. We're looking to really finish out the range to the left. So we can pull back heavy, but the idea is to finish out the range. And if we pull back heavy, we have no risk on the table. Okay. I think we should see another spike here. It'd be lovely. Can we re-break the lows? Did we re-break the lows? Oh. It's house money here, right? So we've closed half at 13 pips, but now we really want the push. We don't get the push here now. We might wait on a 5 closure, right? Top wick and then a bearish flip. So let's see what it do. We have another 90 seconds here for the 5 to close. A couple of ways you can go about this. Once we re-break the lows, I think I might start looking to close full, but you could be, hey, stop that. Or you could be looking to move your stops into profit, 10 pips, whatever you really want to do here. We might have another entry here in about 50 seconds here, depending on how this 5 closes and depending how the next 5 opens. Oh, BE just tapped. BE tapped. All right, so closure, half closure 13, and then a break even on the runner. Okay, let's get rid of this. We're gonna have a 5 closure right now, and this will really matter. Numbers came out. How did numbers come out? Positive. Good numbers, bad for gold, so we should continue down. Let's see if we can get a 5 closure, top wick, and a fill of this range. All right, there we go. So the 5 came straight down first. You'd need a top wick here on the 5. You need a top wick here at the very least, I would say 2649 area, 26494. If you tap 2649 and start re-breaking these lows, you might look for more positions. Chat, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go take my kid to school. I'll be back in about 10 minutes. Okay, so number wise, this looks like it should continue down. This is the area we were just talking about. We wanted to tap before re-breaking the lows. I'll be back in about 10 minutes. You guys have music and you guys can trade for a little bit. Congrats though. We're all winners today already. Be right back. Well, that trip to school cost me $2,000. So, as I was leaving here 10 minutes ago, we were getting a top wick, and I said a rebreak of that 5 low should take you down. And that is exactly what happened after it grabbed the top wick. What did you guys get here? 37. Yeah, I would have closed it like 25 here. So, yeah. Guys ever had all 4 tires off the ground on a school speed bump? Well, if you guys paid attention to what I said right before I left, you guys would all be eating. If you guys were here on time and took the news trade with us at 8:15, you guys would all be eating. Good stuff. Good stuff. 8:30. The 30 closed here. We're pulling back up. It closed at this nice little support. You're really going to look here for this 4-hour closure. You want this 4-hour to remain bearish, remain below this 2651 area. And then with this whole push down, remember what I say all the time, right? You find a support on a push. Once you found a support, market pulls back. Once it finds a resistance, it'll fill the range. As long as this 4-hour don't flip, we will start filling some of this range. And if we wait till the next 4-hour, can be a little more confident in it because it will have a closure. We'll see if we close respecting the 4-hour level here. 26,500, we close below. And after that, once we have this long ass wick down here, do you guys think we're not gonna at least fill this partially? Right? If the market's going to reverse all of a sudden and go up, it's going to have to bounce off something. It's going to need orders to drive. It needs orders to drive. It's going to have to create a bottom wick before going up. If it continues down, great. We're in the right direction. If we're in the wrong direction, we have this bottom wick to fill or to create on the next candle, right? So let's see. This is going to be very key how it closes here. It's a nice interesting. Look at this, the hourly's flipped bullish now. So a lot can change here. A lot. I like it. I like it a lot. Yeah, market is not just gonna continue driving up here. It's gonna pull back, grab more orders, and then continue to drive. Okay, WX, appreciate you for the info. Absolutely, it's up to you to help yourself. Remember, as long as you're paying attention and you're not over there playing Fortnite, you could have definitely helped yourself over there. Pushing up. Yeah, I feel you, Icy. It's just, experience will help you make that decision. 5-minute close bullish, so I removed the sell stop. Wouldn't you be concerned? Not once it started breaking that 5 low, because on the higher time frame, it really didn't matter. Anybody watch the debate yesterday? Yo, those guys are master debaters. We will wait on a 4-hour close, Dennis? Yes, we are highly likely that we're waiting on a 4-hour closure here. I couldn't tell if they were like debating each other or if they liked each other. Like, I don't know. Or if they hated each other. I couldn't tell. they kissed each other backstage. I heard they spent the night together. Hey, yo. Four-hour just flipped. You see, you want the 4-hour closure to give you this. I don't mind if it flips and closes like this, as long. Well, I do mind that it closes like this. I'm sorry. I don't mind that it flips, but I want it to close below this area. Daily flip incoming? Yeah, but daily is a long candle, right? The daily can flip and flip right back, can drive down another 200 pips and then flip bullish again. For our purposes, the daily flip wouldn't matter much here because as it flips, the smaller time frame is really going to decide if that's the time it's going or if it's going to go later in the day. Paciencia, everybody, paciencia. Oh yeah, mark up some ranges. I see them in my head. This is how when I trade on my own, there's no ranges being marked. I don't put anything on the charts. Yo, Wix, I attempted a 30-minute wick fill off the bearish closure, but now I just got fucked. That's also experience. There's a level here. See that level right here to the left? You needed a closure below it, so you would probably wait for another candle to do something like this. If it's on the smaller time frame, right? You'll propose. Whoops, wrong color. Wrong color. Yeah, these racist candles. You would need something like this now, right? And then you can look for that. To the next range. Because this right here is a range. We're too early to go down. Yeah, I still think we're gonna go down. Honestly, we're gonna find some resistance, finish the range down. Let's mark these ranges up so you guys can see them better, or see what I'm looking for in my head. Ranges are massive. 250 pips here, top to bottom overall. Why gold going up while dollar also going up? Maybe because gold is stronger right now than the dollar. Because you're not playing just a single currency, right? You play the relationship. So it's irrelevant what one is doing individually, right? What matters is the relationship. That's why I don't look at the DXY. An EM 4-hour candle 9 out of 10 times gives you opportunities. We just need to have the skill and the timing to grab those. Yeah, and the patience. Paciencia. You need to have the paciencia. Hold on. Oh, somebody said there's like a 20-second delay. Yo, there's a 3-second delay on YouTube. Yeah, I think to be quite honest, I think you guys have good 15 minutes to go do what you got to do. Well, before you dip, let's see how this 15 closes. Because if the next 15... Right, if the next 15 opens up like this, we're taking a bullish flip to finish out the range here. So this wick right here too. Right, so you see these levels that we drive up from. We can tap that area and flip bullish right here. I will look for buy. My issue is this freaking 4-hour still bearish, and we still need. No, you know what, chat? I think the 4-hour. We're not going to take that 15. I think the 4-hour is going to be a better bet. It might take a little bit longer, but I think the 4-hour should be a higher probability trade. And then you figure the next 4-hour. It's kind of your mid-range here. Honestly, this is one of those situations. If you take a buy or a sell right now, eventually on the next candle, you should hit either one. But I think we're gonna wait here on the 15. I think the 15. I mean, we're gonna wait here on the hourly, which is the 4-hour closure. We'll have a lot more information at our disposal if we just wait an extra 15. Better view, agree with you. Yes, I'm not glazing, but starts trading with you. I used to be afraid of trading high. Hey, but now what? Huh? Not afraid to trade high? Appreciate the recent trades. They've been really good. High probability setups and a decent amount of runners. Just lost my job. This shit is keeping me out of poverty. Beautiful. This is lovely. You're closing below that most recent level. This is interesting. I think Javi would be looking for a position somewhere here for buys. Unless he's looking for more 2600 areas. Yeah, 15 close back in range here. You might see this pull up. But I wouldn't want to pull up unless it makes a bottom wick. Hello, Chaturanga Karuna Nayaka. Say that shit 3 times fast. Chaturanga Karuna Nayaka. Chaturanga Karuna Nayaka. Chaturanga Karuna Nayaka. That's crazy. That's a crazy name. Nothing wrong with it. It's just crazy long. Yo, you scared the shit out of me with the siren and then you call my name, yeah. Say my name, say my name. When no one is around you, say baby I love you. You ain't running game. I would say continue find job work till the account was decently used to support daily expenses. I think this is a better approach to quit poverty. Yeah, JOB funding, gang. JOB funding. 4 hours gonna need to make a top wick here. It's gonna need to make a bottom wick as well in the next 4 hour. Interesting. Hi, beautiful. How are you? How'd you sleep? Good? All right. Love you. Get some rest. Go. What it do, boo-boo? Cubicle funding. True. Yeah, refill. I was really thinking about taking sells here as we flip bearish here on the... We made a little top wick and we flipped bearish here. How much did that give you? Ooh, that gave you... That little shit right there is 14 pips. Crazy. This is an area you can reject off of, right? You've tapped right here, this level across. So you can definitely make a bottom wick drive up. But if you had that little flip here, I would probably close full. That gave you 15. These ranges are massive. I keep looking at them like, that's 2 to 3 pips. Then I'm like, holy shit, that's 15. People at the Zoom door. Come on in. Come on in, Ski. Which reminds me, chat. I just need to, chat. I just have one look at Kenny, and I'm like, all right. I know what I forgot to do today. Kenny's looking down like he's trying to put the filter into the J right now, and he's almost done rolling. Oh, the motherfucker is rolling. Yeah, bro. Rolling, 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 rolling. Every smoker knows the concentrated face. Give me 1 second, chat. Beard looking tight? Yeah, I'm trying to get rid of it. Anybody need a beard? Flipping this motherfucker. It's my playoff beard, but no one's in the playoffs. The Dolphins definitely ain't making it to the playoffs. Gotta wait for the Knicks or the Rangers. And if I wait for that playoff, I'm gonna be looking like fucking Father Time. Saints? Who dat? I like how Chicago has the Bulls and the Bears. There's a trading town. Shot town, Chirac. You're not a Yanks fan? I am a Yanks fan. All right, what time is it? 5 minutes left for this 4 hour. I don't mind if it closes like this. Here's the deal. We might make a bottom wick first here on the next 4 hour. It really depends how we close. All right, we got 5 minutes left here. Give me a minute, chat. I'm gonna do the damn thing. I'll be right back. The wind in the Windy City, just the sound of bullets whizzing by. Yeah, when Trump got shot in his ear, they were like, is that Chicago? He definitely in Chicago. That's what happens in Chicago. Trump can literally hear bullets. What you think about Iran on Israel? What's the spread? What's the spread? What's the spread on Iran versus Israel? I think I'm gonna take the over. I'm gonna take the over on that. Fucking lighter work, god damn it. Flick my bic. I did. Not work. Oh, the neighbor's cat's here. Come here, you want to make your daily appearance? You a star, bro. Girl? My bad, I forgot you're a girl. Ash, come here. All right, stay there. Yeah, he don't want to do nothing. He's over there just rolling in the grass. That's what I want to do. Smoke ain't get me today. I got the smoke. Hey, Reza, what's the deal? How are you? How you risen? One minute here for the 4 hour. Okay, here's what's gonna happen. If we if we have less than a minute, if we come down for a bottom wick first, we will look for a rebreak of the highs and then a rebreak of the low of that bottom wick. Okay, if we come down for a top wick first, we will likely have a top wick sell. I just think we're gonna come down for a bottom wick. I can't have a position though on that. I need it to come up, but it could come down first. Ooh, came up first. Come up further. All right, there we go. It's rebreaking the high. Chat. I'm gonna take a sell right here, right where we are. 2650.5. Here. I'm looking for a bottom wick to be made here on this 4 hour candle. That's freaking wild right there. Once we flip bearish, I will go break even and close half my position. It might be on the next 4 hour candle. But I expect some orders to be grabbed before the market makes a decision up or down. Get a flip. Can we flip? All right, so we flipped. I saw 9 pips. I didn't even see 10, but the break of the lows, right? We want the break of the lows. 9 pips here. All right. Closing half here at 10, at 9. I closed half at 9, and I'm gonna go break even. All right, so we're break even here. The thing is, the flip is really the advantage point here. So 9 or 10, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna go break even once we flipped. So I don't. All right, there we go. We rebroke the lows. Let's see if we can drive down a bit. One more push. Give us one more push. But it rebroke the lows, so it grabbed that bottom wick for the 4-hour. If it rebreaks the 4-hour high, if it starts coming back to our entry, we don't want to risk the rebreak of the 4-hour high, because at that point, it's free to drive, right? So let's see what happens now, because we did grab a decent top wick here. Make sure you are break even or it's house money at the very least. But we got another W here. You want a rebreak of the lows. If it doesn't rebreak it now, you'll rebreak the highs and then come back down with a possibility to rebreak the lows. Boom. So BE hit on that runner. We gave it a chance to flip. It flipped, broke the lows, and now coming back up. Once it does that, typically it'll re-break the high it made, right? The logic behind that, I go over this all the time, is we made this high and we broke the lows to drive. If it didn't drive, and that's as far as it could get, it probably needs to grab more orders above here, right, in order to drive further than this, because these orders maxed you out over here. So now you need a steeper high, and if we need a steeper high to drive further, I'm not going to sit in drawdown after being up 10 pips. Capiche? Everybody understand the logic and why we managed risk there and why we closed half at 9? Enough with the BE trades. Well, I closed half at 9 on this one and closed half at 13 on the previous one. We're chilling. We are winners today. Trade till full TP? You trade till full TP. This is my show. That's funny. That's a good comment. Trade till full TP, bro. Mans wants to sit in drawdown. If you trade till full TP, your ass right now sitting in 30 pips of drawdown. Yeah, Chad. So whatever loss we had yesterday, we've already made back in the 3 wins since. Oh, we also had a W in the signal channel last night. Well, it is. There was no time to react. What do you mean? I said I'm going to look for a top wick sell, and I told you when I'm going to close it. And I closed it right then, and then it stayed at that area for another like 10 seconds. And then it pulled up. This might, so you see we rebroke the highs that I was talking about here to grab more orders. At this point, if we start flipping, okay, it'll make sense for it to drive further because it's grabbed the orders that we didn't grab on the first attempt. Will it start flipping though? I think at some point in this 4-hour, we'll need to make that bottom wick. But the smaller time frame has already retested the low. Remember, as we were coming down, the market needs to find a support. Right? Once it pulls up and finds resistance, it'll fill the range, which it did. Right? That's what goes very technical. Once it filled the range, now it could do whatever. So on the, we've price wise, right? Price levels wise, we've already tapped the decision area here. YouTube few seconds. Yeah, YouTube is 3 seconds behind. That's why I would suggest switch over to the Zoom. Thanks for knowledge. Off to bed. See ya later, Isaac. That's a Jewish name. We have any other news coming up? So there's no more news, just a bunch of speeches from what? From 9 till 10:30. We have an orange folder, 10:30. Hopefully we'll be off by then. I think speak some Hebrew. I don't speak Hebrew. My parents and grandparents speak Yiddish, though. There's a lost language. Yiddish. Yiddish, look it up. Yiddish. You speak Chinese? I don't think there is a Chinese language. I think Chinese speak Mandarin. Right? Is that true? There's no Chinese. They speak Mandarin. Or like they have different dialects. Mandarin or Cantonese. Yeah, they don't speak. There's no Chinese. Y'all gonna learn Chinese. Y'all gonna speak Chinese. Remember that song? He was signed to the Rough Riders. Here comes the cells again. I need a closure. Judeo-German. This 4-hour needs orders, man. I feel like it's gonna come down, but just because I feel like it, I can't take a trade. Ni hao. Yeah, it looks lovely to come down here, but only on the 5 and the 4. The 15, 30, and the 1. Rebreak of the low. I honestly, to be completely honest with you, I am pretty sure that I am done with this range. It's a 100 pip range, but for now I'm done with it. I want us to actually either come up here to 2656 or re-break the lows. It's really printing in a range side by side. Yeah, there's a lot of pips in this range, but I just don't have an edge. Session trades, yeah, 235, 235 wins. I must say, you know your hip hop and your movies. Sure. Eddie. Eddie. Hello, Eddie. How are you, bro? You at work? Rough 2 weeks, minus 3%. Zoom out. I'm just gonna speak with the accent of the person that's asking the question. Like Dennis here is Russian, so he would say, Wix, what are you looking for right now? Right? Right? And then we have Abdullah, and he's probably saying, W, my friend. Monies is from the hood. He's probably over there like, yo, is it buy or sell, homie? I'm Ukrainian to be, yeah, but you'd still have the same fucking accent. I'm Ukrainian, my parents have that accent. The head bobble is wild. It's crazy. Eddie's probably driving around somewhere like around my neighborhood helping people with their AC right now. NYSE, New York Stock Exchange. Not New York Exchange. How about a Thai accent? Oh, you do it very good. I don't know. Thai accent, how do they speak? They make their vowels elongated. Oh, you make it very good. How about the Thai accent? I don't know, right? They elongate their vowels. The Brits, in it. The Brits taking a trade and they're like, I got it. I got the rebreak. I got it. Oi. Oi, fuck off, mate. Africans like, oi, what is this? What is this shit? I can't trade like this. Fuck this shit. Oh, man. If we all get into one room, it'll be impossible to talk to all of you. You're just gonna be texting each other. I can't get jiggy with this shit. Where it sound like Michael Blackson. He done know I'm Wix. Jamaicans, yeah. Jamaicans are like buy, sell. Whatever, man. Me, I gonna take a pull of this spliff. Fuck them trades. Bombokla! Rich! Did you guys see that guy? Rich! Millionaire! Bombokla! Rich man! Millionaire! Can you play Word or can text? Hey, yeah, we're here to trade, and then I go smoke. We here to trade, then I go smoke. We definitely don't sound like that. Yeah, well, it's just jokes, yo. It's just jokes. I'm just a random dude on the YouTubes. Hey, gorgeous. Here, come here. Have a seat. You wearing lipstick? Yeah? Is that mom's or is that yours? Huh? Yours?
It's ours.
It's ours? Ah, that's a good answer. It's ours together. I don't sound like that while sounding exactly like that. Word. Scottish. I could do Scottish, but nobody will fucking understand.
I want yogurt.
Me can't.
I want yogurt.
You want yogurt? You want Oreo yogurt?
Yeah.
Alright, hold on a second. Pushing up here, gang. So this is good. This is what we were just talking about, right? We want to retest the top of this range to make some kind of decision, either close above it or, you know, or respect it to head back down. But this is good. This is indicating volume that we're able to push. Now, if we can close outside the range, that would be a confirmation of volume. Yeah, we're waiting on a 30 closure here, gang. Give me a sec. I'm going to go give Wix 12 yogurt here. Come on, giggles. Let's go, Munchkin. Let's go.
You're a munchkin.
You're a Munchkin.
No, you're.
Alright, chat, give me a sec. I gotta give you yogurt. Hey, yo, the fuck was that? You can talk bad words? Yeah, hell yeah, I curse around my kids. I agree with Gary V on this topic. Go watch Gary V's reel on cursing. Right? He's exactly right, because when I say, do I care about my viewers? It's in my head, it's really, do I give a fuck about my viewers, right? So I'm just going to be more authentic and be me than try to...
Yogurt.
Okay, I'm going. All right. Hold on a second, gang. I gotta give her yogurt. Give me a second. What's the 9 mean? That's inches. It stands for inches. The white man's coming. Yeah, the white man. Kid's gonna repeat that at school? Okay. You think that's gonna be her downfall in life? Pretty sure I have no way of avoiding her saying shit, fuck, and all that other thing. Yeah. That's not how the world works. As soon as, like, I once read my my oldest one's Discord group chat. Yo, the shit, the way they be cursing in the group chat, these are like 10, 11, and 12-year-olds. There's like 30 of them. The whole class is in this one Discord chat. And she showed it to me. She's like, because she doesn't curse, right? I was like, I don't want to hear you say this, this shit in public. Like, if you ever feel like you need to when you get older, curse all you want. So she knows, but so in public, she won't curse. But like in the chat, they be saying some wild shit. One thing in high school, another thing in first grade. You have no way of avoiding all of it. I'm just gonna be my authentic self, and then everyone else will adjust, right? I don't have a problem with my kids cursing either. If they ever feel like they need to curse, go for it. I'm gonna have an issue if that's all they do, right? If they're just sitting there cursing people out. But they're not. They're they know they know what's up. I just remember myself, how much I used to curse? Already in like second, third grade, I used to curse. Yeah, you guys shouldn't be worried about cursing in front of your kids. You guys should be more worried about who's putting what kind of information into your kids outside of you. Cursing is the English language code. Yo, if you hear Russians speak, Russians curse like every third word. You'll have three curses in per sentence. Just like it's normal. If I did when I was small, I'd get my ass whooped. So my parents were okay with English curses, but they were never okay with Russian curses because Russian curses are just much rougher. They just much more harsh. So, but like I used to say fuck all the time. Like, if I'm talking to my friends on the phone when I was like 12, 13, and I'd say fuck, look at me and be like, "Who are you cursing at? What did they do?" Yeah, we got 2 minutes here for the 30 to close. We do not have a bottom wick here on this hourly candle. We've driven straight up, and we really don't have a bottom wick on any of the smaller time frames. Maybe the 5 level here. Oof, pushing, pushing, pushing. This gets a little tough. Oh, flip the tape. That's right. We're just gonna rewind it. It's not really a flip, but yes. No major new. Well, you have just speeches going on right now. Can your daughter speak Russian? Yeah, they all speak Russian. Yeah, Joe, that's exactly right. There's a funny like meme on that where there's like 100 variations of that word, and it means different things every time. Muta. No top wick here on the 30. So I'm not looking for buys on that 30. NYC, NYSE, NYC. There's no NYC. There's NY, New York Open, and then NYSC, SE, New York Stock Exchange. When we wait for 9:30, we wait for NYSC Open, yeah. This is tough. There's no bottom, there's no top wick right on the 30 telling me that we should flip bearish here because this doesn't indicate range. But we have a lot of volume, so I don't know. We'll see. We've also been coming up without any kind of bottom wick. If we can push to this area, we might have some sells based on that. Based on that 30. 66118. Six one one eight. Maybe that was it. I want a re-break here of these highs that it's just made. It can come down here from here because that's the first right here to the left. That's the first initial area you can possibly reject off, but it's minor in relation to the hourly here. And the hourly level I think is closer to 6-1 area. If we don't get a bottom wick here and we come up to that area, we'll have sells. You're done, throw it out in the garbage, okay? And put the spoon in the sink. Thank you. Flip bearish here, so might come back down. I really wanted that top wick sell. I want us to create a top wick, but that was good. That top wick I think was good. I gave you 14 pips. I wanted to re-break that top wick. That 30 though, that 30 did not give you a top wick, right? But we are above the range. We're creating that top wick. Yeah, I don't want to be in sells here. I think if we were to be in sells, it should have been earlier, but let's see how much room we got to the bottom of the range here. Never grabbed the bottom wick though to drive. I think we'll come back now. Chat, let's do this. Let's take a sell right here. And let's look for, so here's what I'm looking for. I'm going to take a sell. Well, I just took a sell. I'm going to look for this area strictly. And I'm going to look for a pineapple at the area that I was looking at. So this way, if it comes down now, we don't miss it. But if it comes up, we have a nice pineapple at 26.70. I'm sorry, 26.70. 26.6170. 26.6270. Sorry, this isn't the stop. Ooh, that 5 closed. 5 closed doji. Indecision candle. I'll take another sell here. Just took a sell as we flipped on that 5. Give me a bottom wick. So the 5 came up, didn't break the previous 5 high, and then flipped bearish. My expectation is to fill the wick of the previous 5 once it does that. Right, once we flip, we are expecting to fill at the very least the previous 5 wick for orders. It flipped. Did it re-break the low? I think it re-broke the low there for a second and came up. Hey.
I wanted the big Oreo yogurt.
Oh, well, I'll do that for you next time. I didn't know where it was. Hold on. Have a seat.
It was on top.
It was on top, but did you eat that one?
No.
Did you eat the one that I gave you?
Yes.
Awesome. I'll give you the other one next time. This way you saved it. Okay? So it's pretty good. Right? Right? You want it? You want the other one? I'll make it for you later today, so you don't have to stress about it. Okay? What is that? What do you have? Oh, I got you. Shit, we came back. I gotta stop paying attention. Sorry, gang. Let me do this. Let me work. Have a seat here. Damn it. Sorry, gang. I missed our closure there. I'm still in here. I wanted to close all positions once we came back to this, but I'm not going to. What I'm going to do is once we re-break the low, I'm going to close our first position, right? And then I'm going to leave this one if we're able to re-break the lows. The 5 closed bearish there. Not a good area to close bear. Not a good area to close in general. We want a stronger closure though, right? We want a stronger closure and on a higher time frame. That's what we really want. All right, gang, close the first position out here. I'm gonna go break even on all right, I'm gonna close full here at 20 pips. Boom, full closure. 20 pips. Congratulations, everybody. Congratulations, everybody. Congratulations, 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 everybody. It's our winner song. Let's do the touchdown dance. Woo! Woo! You see, baby? You give me a few minutes, and I'll give you the world. The world is yours. What do you want? Anything you want. You tell me what you want, you can have it. You want yogurt? Anything you want, and you want more yogurt? You're a lovely kid. WX, can you explain why you took sell? Okay, for everyone that knows how we trade. Yeah, make sure you're at the very least, if you still have positions running here, you should be house money, honey, house money, honey. So we take sells because the previous 30, number one indication, previous 30 closes no top wick, indicating no more range. First thing we do is come up and we halt. We halt at what area? Let's tap that. All right, we'll put that right here. This is where we held. Now we look, is there a rejection area at that point? And we look to the left, right? And we see a rejection area from where we drove down from, right? So no top wick, no more range, a rejection area right above. As we tap that area and started coming, I really wanted a top wick at a different rejection area right here. We didn't quite get there, right? And then I thought to myself, all right, so if we get a position now and it drives, great, we'll be part of it. But if we don't get in it and it drives, we miss it, right? Waiting for this. But let's say it doesn't drive and we got in it and comes back against us. We have another chance for pineapples here and here, right? So one of these positions, one of these two ranges would have rejected to come back down and give a bottom wick. Is that a fact? No, but it's probability wise, it'll happen like 90% of the time, 95% of the time. So that is why we took a sell. And you guys have been seeing this over and over and over the last few years. When a candle closes with no wick, the next candle, if it creates a wick, comes back the other way, it's likely to drive the other way. And that is what it's doing right now. Smart kids go for probiotics. Yeah, I need some live cultures, baby. Live cultures. We have to do this dance as a tradition. Yeah, we all should do it, and when we meet up, we all do it together. Let's update the record. Win number 236 on the year. Um, I don't think the signal channel, one of my positions didn't go through. Hold on, because I was just outside, baby. That's why I'm still wearing shoes. She's sitting here like, why are you wearing shoes? So the signal gang got 30 pips because one of the closures didn't go through on one of my sell entries. The closure didn't go through when I closed it because I did a bulk closure. So I just told them to close right now. So they got an extra 10 pips, extra 13 pips. Congrats, signal channel. Yeah, signal channel outdoing me sometimes. And it's my signals. Why are you wearing shoes in your room? You're right. I should type with them. Hey, yo. You heard her. What are those? She's so funny. Yo, I swear, you're the funniest kid ever. I love you. High five. Down low. Down low. Too slow. I made you laugh because I said I'm going to type with my shoes. I made myself laugh too. Wait a minute. Who are you? Oh, we have that kid in studio today also. Chat.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
She nailed it. No, don't hit me. Let me finish working. Punch Bob? Not SpongeBob, Punch Bob? Hell yeah.
Break out the red panties. We're rich, baby.
Hell yeah. Chat, any questions as we have come back up here? Any questions? We have 3 W's on the day. We're triple winners. We have 3 wins. 3 wins today, James. You might have been late to one of them.
Left to right side. Look at your left to right side.
My left right side? Oh, I see it. That's my right side. On the screen, it's left. All right, hold on a second. Wix, so why you didn't take any buys considering the daily have no top wick? Because I'm not I said it earlier in the session, we're not looking to trade off the daily. Daily can give us bias overall, but we're not necessarily looking for the flip. If we did that, we would miss a lot. Right? And also the daily flip here doesn't mean that it's going to drive once it flips. The daily is a long candle. You ever seen a 4-hour flip but not drive? Same thing with the daily. You could flip here and not drive because there's the 1 hour, the 30. Everything has to set up, right? It could drive, not saying it won't. I'm just saying it doesn't necessarily have to. That will be determined by the smaller time frames, right? So we're gonna zoom in and we're really gonna try to, you know, snipe it when that starts happening. All right, don't mock me. She's over here sniping. Anyways, you want to snipe that, right? But when in doubt, zoom out, right? If you're not sure, then yeah, zoom out. Look at the daily, and you're like, all right, overall, I see where we should go once we flip. But that doesn't mean the flip is gonna drive. You know what I mean? She's over here cracking jokes next to me. I can't. I was like, look, please give me a minute. Chat, we got 10 minutes. Anything you guys want to know before we hop off here? Anything you guys didn't understand? Any questions? Like you know, the operators are standing by. Mics are open. Why don't talk about Don there? We did. We spent over a month talking about Don. If you missed it, I can't keep coming back for one person that shows up 2 months later and is like, oh, what happened to Don? We've spent weeks having the same conversation over and over and over. Damn, it's fucking foggy as hell with All City over here. Boy, hotboxing the shit out of that bathroom. Or living room, well, my bad. The bathroom. It's smoky as hell over there.
Yo.
What up, what up, what up?
It's chilly, so I got the door closed.
Ah, I got you. Yeah, I can tell. He's in the hoodie. It's chilly. It's like night. I got a heat advisory today. That's crazy. It's gonna be 85. It's gonna be 85 here today, but it's gonna feel like 107. That's what gave me my bias. I got into 2651 to the flip. So what gave you the bias was your daily. You're not wrong for the daily bias. And we used to do that. We used to trade like that. I'd say maybe 2 to 3 years ago, right? If you guys used to show up to the streams about in like 2021, we used to base our bias off the daily. Hold on, baby. Give me 1 sec. We used to base our bias off the daily. The daily's bullish, so we would be looking for buys only until we get a range 2 breakout, and then we can look for sells. So that's how we would have traded before. But now we understand that, you know, there's ranges within here. We've gotten a lot better in entries. We have bottom and top wick entries now. We understand the closures with no wicks, right? We understand volume and the times that it comes in, right? From 9:30 NYSE, 8 a.m. New York, 8:20 COMEX, right? The 4-hour closure at 9 a.m. And notice how everything is between 8 and 10. And just listen to what I said yesterday. You figure out how the 8 a.m. and the 9 a.m. candles move and their relationship with each other, and that's how you're really gonna figure out this time frame, really, or that's how you're really gonna succeed. You know, zone in on the 9 a.m., 10 a.m. candles. You're only trading this. Sorry, chat.
The smoke got me. I got bronchitis.
You're only trading these 2 candles, right? This is our session, these 2 candles. So figure out that relationship, and then the timing, and then where you are in the market. Smaller time frame, higher time frame. Really zone in on the 2 candles on the hourly here. What happened to Don? He called it a year. He called it a day. Who are you yelling at? Oh, let me move my clothes off of you. Hold on, give me 1 sec.
I see you, Richmond, Low.
Okay, we're upset we're not on camera, chat. She wants to be on camera. Come here. You're on camera now, look. She co-hosting. Hey, did you take your meds today? You take medication today? No? You want to go? Let's go take it. Let's go. Let me say bye to the people. Bye to the people. Chat. Calling it a session here. Thank you guys for joining me. It's been an awesome morning. 3 trades, 3 W's. We had 2 trades for news, and then we just got some really good market closures, right? Some really good price action. You guys are amazing. Hold on, you know what you got to do? Spam the dubs so I can make another story or something here. All right? Yeah, hell yeah, spam the dubs. All right, gang. Appreciate all of you. Thank you for that spam of dubs. In reality, leave a like and sub to the channel and share this. Share the stream with your friends, anyone that you think can really, you know, who you think this can really help, right? If this can help anybody that you know, share the stream, right? Send them over here. Let's build a valuable non-toxic community. That's the goal, right? The goal is to provide value through our trading. I know we joke around a lot. I know we mess around a lot when there's quiet or downtime, right? But the goal of this stream is to provide value through trading, right? I hope you guys found some value today. Congrats to everybody that caught those dubs with us. Mods, as always, thank you for helping me run the stream. I appreciate and see every single one of you guys helping out. Also, Zoom gang, I'll see you on the clubhouse side. Kenny, thanks for sticking around all day with me, all morning. Enjoy that, Jay. I'm going to go enjoy mine. And chat, love and wisdom to you all. You already know the deal. As for me, my time here is up. And just like that, another New York session is in the books. Enjoy your day, everybody. Get some sun, touch some grass. I'll see you tomorrow, same time, same place, 8 a.m. Eastern, live here on YouTube. Later.
out the red panties. We're rich, baby.